Hello, let's talk about Samsung. We often think of it, it as one giant company, but to really understand it, we need to see it as three different companies in one. It runs its home base in South Korea, its tech labs in the United States, and its giant factories in Vietnam in completely different ways. Today, we will look at how its part leadership and teamwork change in each place and why that's actually the key to its success. First, let's see the different playbooks. In South Korea, uh, headquarter is all about long-term strategy and precision. Think about making super advanced semiconductors. It takes 10 years and billions of dollars. So, leadership is like a careful chess game. Uh, Discipline and team focused also works perfectly in business. To grow a business, decisions are slow, made by group consensus to avoid costly mistakes. Now flip to the United States tech hubs. Here, Samsung is completely for the best software and AI talent. To innovate fast, it can't use the Korean rulebook. Leadership has to be flexible and empowering. Work happens in small, agile teams that make their own quick decisions. It's less about top down orders and more about letting smart people experiment. Finally, Vietnam factories. This is where most smartphones are built. The goal is efficiency, scale, and perfect quality. Leadership is a blend, like Korean managers ensure um, the global standards while local Vietnam's managers handle the day-to-day workforce and logistics. It's practical, get it done in model. Why such different styles? Two big reasons. One, a globe with arrows. Strategy. Two is handshaking culture. Why does Samsung do this? Two big reasons. One, global strategy. Samsung puts each part of its business where it makes the most sense. Headquarters and complex R&D stay in Korea. Innovation goes where the top tech talent is. In the USA, mass production goes where it's most efficient in Vietnam. The work style naturally flows the location's purpose. The local culture, how people work best depends on where they come from. Like in Korea, there is deep respect for the group and they are known for their disciplined lifestyle. And the top down conscious style fits perfectly here. In USA, workplaces are more informal and value individual ideas. Samsung's flexible, empowering style there matches this. And on the other hand, in Vietnam, there is also respect for hierarchy, but with a focus on strong team relationships. So the blend leadership model works well in these settings. The lesson There is no single best way to lead. The best style depends on the task and the local culture, the big challenges and how to fix it. So, in every business, there is many kind of challenges. It can be big or small, but of course, running three different models create a big tension, like control versus freedom. Like many people has different type of opinions, and the leader have to listen all the opinions, then have to make one decision, which is not easy at all. But knowing everything is not a solution, but having all type of ideas can help a business grow. Headquarters in Korea needs to keep everything on the same strategic page, but the USA team needs freedom to be creative, and the Vietnam factory needs flexibility to solve daily problems. This can cause friction. For example, American engineers might find Korean decision making too slow, while Korean managers might find American feedback too blunt. So, what's the solution? Samsung needs to master global management, thinking globally but acting locally. Here's how: be clear on the rules. Samsung headquarters should say, here are the three things everyone must do our way. For everything else, your local playbook. This clarity reduces confusion. Train bridge leaders, develop managers, especially these moving between countries to understand and respect different work styles. Then connect digitally. Use great tech platforms so all three very different teams can share data and talk easily. Staying connected despite working differently. In conclusion, I would say um, Samsung Global Secret is not forcing one culture worldwide. It's the opposite. Their strength is adapting their leadership to fit each location's purpose and people. They use a strategic, team focused style in Korea, a fast and flexible style in USA, and a practical blended style in Vietnam. For any company going global, the big lesson is this: don't send you one rule book to every office. Let your local teams write their own playbook for you for how to win, while keeping everyone focused on the same final score. That's how you build a truly smart global company that I would suggest as a young um, um, business. Thank you.